This is a demo of long context understanding, an experimental feature in our newest model, Gemini 1.5 Pro. How can I change the text to say goldfish and make the mesh materials look really shiny and metallic? You can see that it definitely pulled off the task and the text looks a lot shinier now.
Ever wondered what makes Gemini 1.5 a game changer in the tech world? How Google's surprise release has sent shockwaves through the tech world? Let's explore how this new armour is reshaping the industry and what Gemini 1.5 could do. At first, Demi Saabi, the mastermind behind the latest innovation, marked the dawn of the Gemini Era with the enigmatic Gemini 1.0. Gemini 1.5 isn't just a minor upgrade. It's a major leap forward. They've revamped the whole system with something called a mixture of expert architecture. Think of it like assembling a team of specialists for different tasks. You've got experts for coding, writing, sentiment analysis, and more, all working together to tackle your question. The first model they're rolling out is Gemini 1.5 Pro, the middle version. And let me tell you, it's a powerhouse. It's on par with the best of the best, matching the performance of the previous top-tier model, Gemini 1.0 Ultra. That's like going from a sports car to a rocket ship in terms of speed and power. But that's not all. Gemini 1.5 Pro comes with a groundbreaking feature called long context understanding. It's like giving Google a supercharged memory, allowing it to understand context from up to 1 million tokens. To put that into perspective, it's like giving Google the ability to analyze a massive 11-hour video or process over 700,000 words of text. That's some serious brain power. And here's the kicker. Gemini 1.5 Pro nails it when it comes to finding information in a sea of data. They're talking about near-perfect needle recall, meaning it can pinpoint tiny bits of information with incredible accuracy. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, but Google makes it look easy, scoring an impressive 99.7% recall rate. It's like having a super-powered magnifying glass for your search queries. Plus, Gemini 1.5 isn't limited to just text. It can handle videos and audio too, maintaining its stellar performance across different formats. So, whether you're searching for a specific word in a document, a scene in a movie, or a snippet of a conversation in a podcast, Google's got you covered. In a nutshell, Gemini 1.5 is Google's flexing its muscles and reclaiming its title as King of AI. It's like they're saying, we pioneered this technology and now we're taking it to the next level. And judging by the jaw-dropping capabilities of Gemini 1.5, it's clear that Google is once again leading the pack in a world of artificial intelligence. In the first demo, Google utilized the Apollo 11 transcript, a hefty 402-page PDF comprising nearly 330,000 tokens. Uploading this document into Google AI Studio, the team tasked the model with finding 3 comedic moments and quoting them, along with emoji annotations. Despite the significant volume of data, the model responded promptly, accurately identifying quotes like the humorous remark from Michael Collins. Furthermore, a multimodal prompt involving a drawing was effortlessly deciphered by the model, showcasing its ability to understand abstract details and provide relevant information without explicit explanation. Continuing with the demonstration, Google employs a 44-minute silent film by Buster Keaton, comprising of over 600,000 tokens. The model is challenged to identify a specific moment in the film and extract key information, such as the context of a removed piece of paper and its timecode. Impressively, the model accurately identifies the scene and provides detailed information, demonstrating its proficiency in extracting textual data from visual inputs. Expanding the scope, Google demonstrates Gemini 1.5 Pro's prowess in coding comprehension, using the example of Three.js code totaling over 800,000 tokens. By presenting the model with prompts related to character animation examples within the code, Google illustrates the model's ability to navigate complex programming structures and provide relevant insights. Furthermore, the model showcases its adaptability by customizing code to meet specific requirements, such as adding a slider to control animation speed. Despite the complexity of the tasks, the model exhibits consistent performance across various prompts, highlighting its versatility in understanding both textual and multimodal inputs. Moreover, Google emphasizes the potential of application of Gemini 1.5 Pro in problem-solving scenarios requiring extensive code analysis and explanation. We noticed the terrain looked flatter as requested. Using the 3D text demo, we aimed to change the text to goldfish and improve mesh material for a shiny metallic look. Gemini 1.5 Pro correctly identified the relevant demo and highlighted lines needing adjustment. It explained material properties like metalness and roughness for shiny effects. The result is a notably shinier text, demonstrating the capabilities of Gemini 1.5 Pro and the technical report with 1 million multimodal tokens context window. Guess what? Regarding enhanced performance, it noted that 1.5 Pro outperforms 1.0 Pro in 87% of the benchmarks used for developing large language models. Compared to 1.0 Ultra, it performs at a similar level. Notably, in a needle-in-a-haystack evaluation, where a specific fact or statement is deliberately placed within a lengthy text block, 1.5 Pro successfully identified the embedded text 99% of the time in blocks of data as long as 1 million tokens. Additionally, it exhibits impressive in-context learning skills, demonstrated by its ability to learn a new skill from provided information. Extensive ethics and safety testing is briefly discussed, highlighting the model's responsibility. However, it's noted that in this aspect, it may not surpass the state-of-the-art model, GEMINI 2, known for its cautious approach, refusing to answer potential controversial or problematic questions. Developers interested in testing 1.5 Pro can sign up in the AI Studio, while enterprise customers can reach out to their Verdict AI account team. The paper introduces Gemini 1.5 Pro, a highly compute-efficient multimodal mixture of expert models capable of rescaling and reasoning over fine-grained information from millions of tokens of context, including text, video, and audio. It matches or surpasses the performance of Gemini 1.0 Ultra across various benchmarks while requiring significantly less compute power to train. Furthermore, Gemini's translations are comparable to those of a person who learned from the same linguistic document, indicating human-like learning capabilities through in-context learning. Comparisons between 1.5 Pro, 1.0 Pro, and 1.0 Ultra highlighted the advancements in the new model, emphasizing its superior performance and efficiency. With a 55% win rate, let's consider Model 1.0 Ultra. It performs similarly to a high-level model, albeit with a slight advantage, particularly excelling in text comprehension. However, its performance diminishes when it comes to visual and auditory tasks. Notably, it significantly outperforms Model 1.0 Pro, a comparable model in size. Contrary to previous assumptions, the transition from smaller to larger models like GPT-3 to GPT-4 likely involves stitching together multiple models with MoE. This approach enables better utilization of resources while maintaining a constant number of parameters for any given input. Google has implemented similar strategies in their model architecture, focusing on enhancements across various aspects such as data optimization, system improvements, and training infrastructure. Despite using similar hardware to previous models, Google employs tensor processing units optimized for deep learning tasks, contrasting with GPUs used by NVIDIA. The pre-training dataset comprises diverse sources spanning web documents, code, images, audio, and video. During the fine-tuning phase, the model is adopted to multimodal data, refining its performance for specific tasks. The resulting model, often referred to as the fine-tuned or chat model, undergoes reinforced learning from human feedback to improve its responses. This new model demonstrates remarkable capabilities, notably in processing large volumes of tokens previously unattainable. Its ability to process multimodal data enables tasks like analyzing videos for specific content across hours of footage, as demonstrated with the AlphaGo documentary. Moreover, Google's latest model boasts an unprecedented token limit of 1 million, surpassing previous limits and achieving 100% recall at various token counts. This capability ensures efficient retrieval of specific information across extensive datasets, maintaining high recall rates even with millions of tokens. So, what's next? Well, Gemini 1.5 Pro isn't available to everyone just yet, but don't worry, it's coming soon and it's going to be awesome. Google and DeepMind, the masterminds behind Gemini, are working hard to make it even better. It's like a race to create the smartest computer program, and we're excited to see who comes out on top. So, do comment your thoughts on this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest AI news.